Dear viewer, my name is Clemens Mensink from Imperium. Last time I showed you the 1-bit binary calculator. In this video I will show you the 2-bits implementation. When the machine is completed, it can handle 4-bit numbers. Binary calculation is where we rely on every day. All digital equipment uses this principle. This machine has two inputs, input A and input B. A ball at A0 equals 1. A ball at A1 equals 2. And the same is true for B. A ball here means a 1 and a ball here means 2. So together this would make 3. The machine has one output, the sum S. S0 is equivalent to 1. S1 is equivalent to 2. And S2 is equivalent to 4. Now I put in only a 1 at position A0 and nothing at B. And I clock the system. The clock travels through the machine, clocking every adder. And the outcome is purely A1. Now I put in a 1 and A1, so at position A0 and B0. This creates an overflow. This ball, we don't need it anymore, it's called waste. And the other one will be an overflow. When I clock the system, it goes to the next stage at one level lower. The clock will clock the system and the output is 2. Now I will add 3 plus 1. This is 3 plus 1. And I clock the system. The overflow of the first stage goes to the second stage and is added to the ball coming from the level above. The system is clocked and the output is 4. Now I will add 2 plus 2. This is 2 plus 2. It creates an overflow. I clock the system. The output is 4. The clock goes through the system, but it doesn't do anything anymore. Now I will add 3 plus 3, the highest number the machine can add. This is 3, and again for B also 3. And I clock the system. And the output is 2 plus 4, which is 6. It's so nice to understand the fundamentals of the technology we use so much. In the next video I will show you the machine in 3 levels. Thanks for watching.